5 unsolved mysteries that continue to intrigue people around the world. First in the list, 9 hikers died at Dyatlov Pass incident. In 1959, 9 hikers died under mysterious circumstances in the Ural Mountains of Russia. Their tent was found ripped from the inside, and some of the hikers were found with unexplained injuries. Second unsolved mystery is the Bermuda Triangle. The area of ocean between Bermuda, Puerto Rico, and the southern tip of Florida has been associated with many unexplained disappearances of planes and ships. Third unsolved mystery is the Voynich manuscript, a book written in an unknown script and filled with bizarre illustrations. The Voynich manuscript has confounded cryptographers and historians for centuries. Fourth unsolved mystery is the Taos hum. A low-frequency humming sound has been heard by residents of Taos, New Mexico, for decades, but its source remains unknown. Final in the list, the Zodiac Killer unsolved mysteries. The Zodiac Killer, a serial killer who operated in Northern California in the late 1960s and early 1970s. The Zodiac Killer sent taunting letters to newspapers and may have killed as many as 37 people, but his identity remains a mystery. Do you want to watch more mysteries video? Please like and subscribe to our channel. If you don't like mysteries video, please share with your loved one who is love to hear about mysteries.